To enable or disable battery saver on Motorola Moto G87, first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings we want to scroll down and we need to find the battery option, which is in my case over here. And after opening battery menu, you should be able to find the battery saver here in this place. Now we can easily turn on and turn off battery saver just by tapping on the switcher, but besides that you have the option between the standard battery saver and the maximum battery saver. And in the case of the maximum battery saver, you should be able to also access settings, but before we have to confirm that we want to choose maximum battery saver. Here we can read that system activities will be limited and non-essential apps and their notifications will be paused. And then we can of course tap on the setting to, for example, find the essential apps that you can choose, and you can turn off 5G. There is also the schedule and reminders, so you can easily set up when the battery saver should be automatically enabled if you want such a thing. And besides that, you can also go to the control center or quick settings, and over here you should be able to find the battery saver as well. In my case it is over here, so we can just tap on that to easily enable and disable the battery saver. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.